Hello guys, welcome back to Rusty's Nuts, and today I'm going to take you through how to change a wheel stud. So I was torquing up the bolts, too much torque into it basically, snap the stud clean off inside the wheel nut. So ordered a new stud through ASM that's been delivered. I'm just going to take you through the process of how easy it is to replace the stud. It's as simple as putting the new stud into the back, and then you just need a method of pulling it through because it has teeth around the edges. In fact, here's one I made earlier. So this here has teeth around this edge section here, and what we do is we pull that through into the wheel hub, and then those teeth kind of engage to hold it nice and securely inside the hub. On modern cars, because the nuts are closed end, what you can't do is tend to put that on tight enough to actually pull it through. So what you'll see people doing on YouTube is attaching a series of washers or some sort of spacer on this section here, which then allows that nut, when you tighten it, to pull that into the hub. You'll see today I just used plumber's grips, put that on there, tighten the nut up, and because on the A40 they're open-ended nuts, you can actually just take it straight through. The only thing is the thread ends at a certain point, so I just needed something to pull that in a little bit. But I'll take you through it, probably do a few little voiceovers and captions on the video just to show you key points, but it's very straightforward. So let's do it.
That one off. Rotates nice and freely, so we should. Right, now we want to get this in here. That's a new one. A bit fiddly, I think, get this lined up. There we go, not too bad at all. Really get the glove stuck in there. Right. Now we've got it in, what we need to try and do is pull it through. Ah, perfect. So we can just back that off. So we've got a bit of pressure. That wasn't even on tight. So as you can see, compared to before, when you look over in this top section here, that's now pulled in nicely, comes straight through there. So that's it. That's how easy it is to pull a stud back through one of these drums.